A fire consumed a lot of my work some months ago. In that fire, I lost paintings that I have been working with for the last 7 years. As well as with materials, easels, tools, and everything you know related to the craft of painting. But the thing that I mourn the most, of course, is the paintings that I lost there. Some of those paintings took me 7 years, 5 years. Many of you know how much time that takes to make a good painting, hopefully a masterpiece. Because of the help that you have made on this fundraising campaign, now I have been able to buy a lot of those materials back and the things that I need in order to continue working. I want to thank all the patrons of School of Apelles, friends and colleagues that have been very generous and that have shown charity in moments of need. I will use this tragedy and other tragic stories to my advantage. Among the paintings that I will compose, one of the stories also will be about homecoming, and homecoming after a difficult, hard situation. So I can show also the characters using their disadvantage to their advantage, how they can come from a negative point to a positive, from misfortune to fortune, rejoicing and coming home. So I want to thank you all for the support, and God bless you.